If you've ever wondered whether pop-ups are blocked in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your pop-up blocker on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if a website isn't opening correctly, a form isn't loading, or you need to allow pop-ups for a trusted site. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips and easy how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From here, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's Settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for cookies, browsing data, security, and site permissions. In the center panel, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you manage what websites can and cannot do, including things like location, camera, microphone, notifications, and pop-ups. Now scroll down until you reach the Content section. In this area, click Pop-ups and Redirects. This is the exact setting you need to check. Here, Chrome will show you the current status of pop-up permissions. If you see the option that says Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, then your pop-up blocker is on. This is Chrome's default setting, and it helps protect you from unwanted pop-ups and redirects. On the other hand, if you see sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, then your pop-up blocker is off, which means websites are allowed to open pop-ups. If you only want to allow a specific website, it's usually better to keep the blocker on and add just that trusted site to your allowed list, instead of turning it off completely. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to check whether the pop-up blocker is on or off in Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.